Good morning, everyone. Uh, Today we will start a new chapter with the reminders and one is simplifications. See, these two chapters will be complete today, and both are very important because maximum every examination will be find out some reminder, or if any they are given the equation and he told just solve it. So today we will just discuss only a trick. You will not find any books. This is only depend for the trick and your practice. So you will make a once notes. You will find to how to calculate reminders. So let's start. So first you will be understand how to solve any dividend. So just I will take example. They are the 29 divided by 6. It means we are divided 29 divided by 6. So they are taking 6 4 ja 24. Just we will see this is a divisor, this is a dividend, this is a quotient, and this is a remainder. So you know this is a equation. Any dividend is equal to divisor this one multiply by quotient this one and adding for the remainder. Okay, that is a equation you must be understand. So let's start. And one is this is the property. If any divisor they are given any question, this type of question is asking for the any exam. So this is a trick. If if any divisor, they are the divisor divided by any dividend, and also any dividend is divided by divisor, and remainder is R1, and any second dividend is divided by divisor is divided R2. So if you asking for the question D1 plus D2 divided by D1 is always remainder, just add remainder. This is the answer for your question, R1 plus R2. Let's see example. I will take example. When I will divide it by 21 divided by 5 4 are 20 means the dividend is 1. 32 divided by 5, they are taking by 5 6 are 2, so remainder 2. And now just I will add 21 plus 32. Okay, 21 plus 30 divided by, so we will find 3 means this remainder, then this remainder. So they are the properties follow this. So this is a rule you must be remember, and you will be must be solve for this property. Is very important property. If any dividend is divided by divisor is R1, any second divisor is divided by R2, remainder is R2. So the rule is this dividend plus second dividend divided by the same dividend D1, then the remainder is R1 plus R2. Maximum question will be find. You have to find. Let's start examples. Same example. They are given 21 divided by 5 is remainder 1, 32 by 5 remainder 2. So find out the 53 by 5. So how to calculate? So just simple. If you know, just add this one 53 and divisor is same. So just add this remainder. R1 plus R2 is the answer is 3. Okay. Similarly, some property you will see. Just let's see example. Remainder is that how to calculate remainder. Suppose you have 2 divided by 5. Okay, 5 divided by 2. So remainder is 2 2 ja 4 means remainder is 1. Very simple. Okay, and you can also return remainder 1 or 2 3 ja 6 means once you can also written -1. This is one is positive, one is negative. Let's see, 2 2 ja 4 means 1 is remaining, so one positive remainder 1. If 2 3 ja 6 means 1 is negative, so -1 is negative. Both are right answer, because just see, if you have any remainder in negative, it's mean when you are subtract for this divisor, you find the answer for this one. What is the second is negative remainder, so just you do 2 minus 1, you will find remainder 1. This is the answer. So just focus, because if I will told you, suppose 5 के power 2, or just see what is the remainder if they are given 100. Just they are tricky. These are question asked in the many examinations. So 5 के power 100 divided by 2. So what is the answer? Just don't be confused. What will we do? 2 2 ja 4. So simple, you will do divided by 1. 2 2 ja 4. 1 is remaining. Remainder is 1. So just do means your remainder is 1. Okay. Let's start any next question. Let's see if 5 के power divided by 3. Okay. So you can also retain at power 100. So you can retain 3 2, this one 3. Otherwise you also retain for 3 2 ja 6 means plus 1. They are the 3 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 9. So 3 1 ja just simple retain 2 power 100. Remainder will be 2. Okay. So you can calculate this. So you can also, this is remainder, you can also retain for this type. Okay, don't be confused, because you are saying. So next process I will tell you how to calculate this one, but you just understand for this 5 power you can also retain for this 2 के power, because they are the only remainder is 2. They are the finding question the 2. So this is the property, just you understand, and I will solve for the next question how to solve this type of question. Okay, just you understand. If I will show 11 12, what is the remainder? Okay, so one positive remainder is 11, but other negative one is -1. If I will told you just power 5, what is the remainder? So if you will do remainder is no, so what will we do? Just I will take, because -1 के power -5 is equal to 12. Okay, fine. So what we will find, just they are come for the -1, because they are 5, so -12, it means -1 means 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. This is your remainder. If they are the any positive, like any 6 is the even numbers divided 5, so they are -1 power 6, 12, 6 means it means a positive. Bottom means remainder is 1, because they are the positive. You cannot subtract, only negative value will be subtract. Positive is the same is value of remainder is 1. So this is the basic simple funda you will understand. So I will, let's see some example. You will be show here. You will find 32 the power 32, 30 power 32. So let's see how to really find this example. Okay, so one method I will tell you. This is the one is very quickly you will find the odd remainder how to calculate. So this is a very big, you remember for the how to make a circle, then you will find the answer. But I have done very easily you will find any value for the given. Very important trick, and you must be know. This is called the Tocient method. Tocient method, they are taking only 5 to 6 seconds. You find any value of the remainder. Just follow the rule how to simplify the rule, and you will be any question you will find very easily for the remainders. Okay, first, what the Tocient method? Tocient method told, if A is the power of t divided by p is the prime number a and t, so always plus 1 remainder when t is totient of totient of P, this one. And also one thing important, A and P is always co-prime. Okay, co-prime means A and P HCF is always 1. Just understand, A की power T divided by P is remainder is plus 1 when A and P is the co-prime because HCF is 1, and T where T is the totient of P. And how to calculate T? T just calculate for the just calculate, suppose P, this is the P the prime number, P1 P2 P3, so T totient is P multiply just this is the 1 minus 1 by P1 is the prime number. How many they are the P, it means not a prime number, P is the prime number, so quotient is T is equal to P 1 minus divided by P. So when we will solve, the totient will be become P totient will be become 1 P minus 1, because this P is cancelled, so P minus 1, simple. And this TP, yeah, TP, this one P, you will be solved divided by in upper. So let's start an example. Suppose find out the 2 के power 100 divided by 101. Okay, so what is the remainder? Maximum question you will find. So here what is the our first will be find this and both are co-prime or not. So the HCF is 1, so this is the co-prime. Now second will be find out the value of totient. How to calculate? Just go for the T is equal to take 101, because there is only one prime, so just 1 minus 101 and just calculate, you will find 100, because just this go for here, subtract from 1 is 100 divided by 101, just cancel, they will be cancel 100. T is the same, so what will we do? Just divide for here. So how much this one time, it's mean the remainder is 1. This is the rule. Okay, this is the rule. If they are divided completely, it means remainder is 1. Now next go for same question we find. Let's see here. Just take the example, same thing. One more formula. This is a formula, remember. If any question they are the given x plus a की power n divided by x, always remainder is r is equal to a की power n. So just remember for this formula, no use, because if you understand the totient method, you will be solve all problem. Let's see for the second example. If 2 की power 49 divided by 7, okay, so first will be find out the T7, totient of the 7. So 7 1 minus 1 by 7, how much? Totient is 6, so we will be divided by 49 divided by 6, so 6 how much will be remaining? 6 minus 6, they are approximately will be find 6 for around 6, they are around 6 48 around 7 6 7 6 8 48. Okay, now here how much they are remaining is 1 40, they have 49, we have to divide by 6, so just simple written 2 की power 7 like this, so there will be 2 1 by 7, it means remainder is 1. Next will be go, if you go for the 15, what is, you first will find out these both are the co-prime, first you use co-prime, then you will be go for the 7th, you will find the totient, how to calculate 7 1 minus 1 by 7, because 1 prime 6, so just calculate, and just I will divide 6 6 8 48, 6 8 48 means there are 2 remaining, it means 2 की power 2 is 7, it means 2 2 is 4. 4 is the remainder. Okay. So next I will go for the if. Now what will be solved? This is the prime number. Okay. Now second rule, if this is not a prime, if you will find this is not a prime. Okay. So how to find a quotient? Very simple. You know, if any p have p1 multiplied by p2 multiplied by p3 dot 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 dot, suppose pn. So t quotient p is equal to first p 1 minus 1 upon p1 bracket close, 1 minus 1 upon p2 bracket close, 1 minus 1 upon p3 dot 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 1 minus 1 upon pn. This is the formula you find out the quotient. So let's see here. If you find that 9, you know 3 is 3, there is a 1 prime. So I will take only prime numbers. They are 1 prime. So just I will simple follow. T is 9 का prime quotient. How much quotient? 9 bracket 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay. So 3 2 3 6. This is 6. If I will take for the 12, 3 multiply 4, 3 power 2 4. So T 12 because of they are the 2 prime. 1 prime is 3, second prime is 2 prime number. So 12 1 minus 1 by 3 divided 1 by 2. So just you will be solved. The quotient will be T12 is 4. Okay. Now you will be suppose this type of question 3 power 202 101. So you will find the quotient of 101. They are 100. Just divide for they are 2, and you will find the answer. Okay. Now here what will we do? Because here is the prime number, but here 90 is not a prime number. So what will we just we will change for the changing the fraction form. Let's take for the LCM 90 for 93 3 are there, 3 power 2 multiplied 2 5. So there is 1 prime 2 prime and 3 prime. So our quotient 90 is become 90 bracket में 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Just we will be solve this problem. They are the quotient 24. So what will we do? Just we are divide by this one 24 26 divided by 24. So this one by 1 time, again there are 2 24 there are 2. So same power 2 they are remaining. It means 49 is the prime. So this is a very simple formula to find out the any question they are given in the, you easily find the remainder. Just go for the any books and do the practice. This is the very good method for the find out the remainder. And second, I will just show you. Just remember for this formula how to calculate. If any, how to simplification. If any expression, any equation you will find in the any examination. So we have the one trick. First we will calculate for the vacuum on the bar, then we will bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then as for subtraction. So this is very basically called V BODMAS. V BODMAS is the, remember, you will be easily remember. If any question, suppose they are given, suppose let's see here. If I will to solve the 5 multiplied by 2 and plus 4 minus 6 and multiply by 7 and divide by 3. Okay, just let's see that is example. So what we know V BODMAS. V bar is not given this expression, so we cannot do anything. Bracket is also this one bracket. So first we will solve bracket. 4 multiply 4 plus 10 minus 6 divided by 3. Bracket is solved. So off, there are not any off given. Division, now come for the division. So we go for the division. The one is division. So what will we do? 7 multiplied by 4 plus 10 minus 6 divide 3, 3 2 ja 6 2. Okay, so division. Now next multiplication, they are the multiples 28, 7 4 ja 28 plus 10 minus 2. Addition 38, 28 plus 10 38 minus 2 36. So this is a process will be solved BODMAS. First will be if they are given the bar means they are suppose 3 minus 2 given bar, this one, this is called the V vacuum bar. Okay, so first will be solve this one, then bracket if any given for the bracket, and bracket there are the three types, just I will show you. This is first will be solve this bracket, small bracket, then this is called middle bracket, and this is called the closed bracket or third bracket. This is square bracket. Okay, so this is simple formula for the BODMAS. Just go for the in columns or a bar, then second for the brackets, then off if any given, then division, then mass, then simple. So if you follow this sequence, your answer is fine. Maximum question will be asked for, just do for the practice, you will find. Okay, this is very simple formula, just calculation is most important for here. Now this is some equation you will be see a plus b is equal to, just you will be remember for this equation very easily, a plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b, this is basically you must be remember. Okay, so next topic, just solve all the problem for the remainder and simplification, because I will not discuss, because very simple calculation, they are the only follow your process, which one will be first go for the process. So first will be go for the bar, then bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, so best of luck for the practice, do more practice and solve the many questions you will be find. So best of luck for your practice and next examination. Thank you so much.